the mass of a group of 5 students are taken. The mass of a student has a normal distribution. Okay, the keyword now is the normal distribution with mean of 55 kg and standard deviation of 10 kg. Less than 40 kilogram is underweight. Alright, so from the question, so we have, firstly we know this is a normal distribution. So it involves the bell-shaped graph, and then the mean given, mean is equal to 55 kg. The standard deviation is 10 kg, and then the mass that less than 40 is underweight. Alright. Question number 1. A student is chosen at random from the group. Find the probability. So I write down P. Find the probability that the student has mass. So the random variable X now is represent mass between. So X is between. Okay, between 47 kg and 58 kg. So 47 and 58. Okay. So we want to determine the probability. So since this is a normal distribution question, so we need to convert the random variables X to z-score. Okay, the formula is Z equal X minus mean over standard deviation. So therefore, this one will be, okay, if I represent in the graph, so how does it look like? The graph, this is the graph of normal distribution. So the random variable is X. X represent the mass. Alright, then the middle here is the mean. Mean is 55 kg. Okay, so 47 kg will be on the left side. 58 kg will be on the right side. So X is equal to 58. So the probability that we want to find is the area between 47 to 58 kg. So now we change to z-score. Okay, we change the X to z-score. So 55 kg will be 0. Mean will be 0. Okay, now 58 will be 58. 58 Z is equal to 58 X minus mean. Mean is 55 over standard deviation over 10. So you get 58 minus 55 over 10 is 3 over 10. That is equal to 0.3. So 58, when we convert to z-score, so here it will be 0.3. Okay, 47. Z is equal to 47 X minus mean. Mean is 55 over standard deviation 10. So 47 minus 55 divided by 10 is equal to negative 0.8. So 57 will be negative 0.8. Okay, this is the z-score. Okay. So now we want to determine the probability Z between negative 0.8 and 0.3. So if you want to find the probability, so you use calculator, press mode SD, shift 3. So This is the area for greater than 0.3. This is the area for less than negative 0.8. So shift 3, you have PQR. So R is for more, P is for less. So therefore for this part, we press R 0.3. Okay, the probability of Z is greater than 0.3. So you press R 0.3. For this part, you press P negative 0.8 because it is less than negative 0.8. Less, we choose P. Okay, so use your calculator. P negative 0.8, we get 0.21186. Okay, this is equal to 0.2119. Okay, 0.21186. So I write down 0.2119. Okay, for this part, so shift 3, take R, 0.3. This is equal to 0.3821. Okay, so therefore, the probability Z between negative 0.8 and 0.3 will be the whole graph area is equal to 1 minus the left part, the area that less than negative 0.8 will be 0.2119, and then minus the area represent the area of Z is greater than 0.3, which is 0.3821. So your final answer will be 0.2119 minus 0.3821, 0.406. Okay, this is your final answer for question number 1. Okay, now look at question number 2. It is found that 5 of the students are classified as underweight. Okay, underweight, there are 5 students. Find the total number of the student in the group. Okay, so now the total number means we want to find the value of n, the total number of the student in the group. Okay, so this is the estimation value, so the mean. So this one is your mean. Okay, the formula for mean for question number 2, mean is equal to NP. So mean is equal to 5, and we don't know, we want to find out the total number, so we want to find out what is n. Okay, P now. P, since we want to, this 5 student is underweight, so we need to determine the probability of underweight students. Okay, so mass that is less than 40 is classified as underweight. So this is mass is X. X less than 40. So P here means probability of X less than 40. Okay, probability of to classify the student as underweight. So Px less than 40. So we need to find out what is the Px less than 40 first, and then put here. So that we can get the value of n. Okay, so now we do this one first. Okay, so we find Px less than 40. So as usual, we need to convert the x, the random variable x, to z-score. So this one will be P z is less than, the formula is z equal to x minus mean over standard deviation. So z is less than, x is the the x is 40 minus mean is 55 over standard deviation. Standard deviation is 10. So over 10. So this is equal to z is less than 40 minus 55 divided by 10. So this is equal to negative 1.5. So if you want to represent this in your graph, so it will be a bell-shaped graph. Originally, this is x. The mean is 55. 40 kg will be less than 55. So on the left side, 40 kg. So then we convert to z-score. When we convert to z-score, 55 will be 0. 40 will be negative 1.5. Z is equal to negative 1.5. Okay, the region that we want to determine is less. Less means this side. Less than negative 1.5. Okay, so again, mode SD shift 3. So the area is less. So less we choose P. So you press calculator, P negative 1.5. Okay. Negative 1.5. So you get 0.066. So this is equal to 0.06681. Okay. The probability of the mass is less than 40 kg. So now here you substitute into this equation. So 0.6681. So therefore n is equal to 5 divided by 0.6681. So you get n is equal to 7.48. 7.484. Okay, this is not 0.6, it is 0.06681. So I miss 1 0 here. 0.06681. So it will be 74.84. Okay, again, so number of students, we cannot let our final answer in decimal. So the final answer will be n equal to 75 students. Okay, round off. Okay, you need to round off the answer because this is a number of students.